One place that you can really rack up some calories, the Florida State Fair. It opens here in Tampa in just over 5 weeks. Starting today, though, you can save big on fair tickets. Public stores in Hillsborough, Pinellas, Pasco, and Polk counties will be selling discounted admission tickets and ride armbands. All you have to do is go to the customer service desk to get them.
If you're